In an increasingly unpredictable world, being prepared for long-term survival scenarios is no longer just a hobby, it's a necessity. This comprehensive guide will equip you with the knowledge and skills to become ultra-highly resilient, capable of surviving anything life throws your way. The foundations of long-term survival. Mindset matters. Developing a resilient mindset is your first line of defense. Learn to stay calm under pressure, make quick, informed decisions, adapt to rapidly changing situations. Essential skills. Master these critical survival skills. Fire starting without matches. Water purification techniques. Basic first aid and wilderness medicine. Foraging and hunting. Shelter building. No-grid survival hacks. Off-grid power solutions. DIY solar panels. Bicycle-powered generators. Thermoelectric generators from campfires. Water procurement and storage. Rainwater harvesting systems. Atmospheric water generators. Long-term water storage techniques. Sustainable food production. Aquaponics and hydroponics. Vertical gardening for small spaces. Insect farming for protein. Advanced preparedness strategies. Communications in a crisis. Building a DIY Faraday cage. Operating ham radios. Creating an off-grid mesh network. Security and defense. Home fortification techniques. Non-firearm self-defense methods. Creating early warning systems. Health and sanitation. Making your own medicines and antibiotics. Composting toilets and waste management. Natural pest control methods. Building resilient communities. Survival is easier with a supportive network. Learn how to form mutual aid groups. Establish barter systems. Create community gardens and food forests. Psychological preparedness. Long-term survival isn't just about physical needs. Discover techniques for managing stress and anxiety, maintaining morale in your group, coping with isolation and uncertainty, continuous learning and adaptation. The world of survival preparedness is ever evolving. This guide will show you how to stay informed about emerging threats, adapt your preps to changing circumstances, test and refine your survival plans regularly. By mastering the skills and strategies outlined in this comprehensive survival Bible, you'll transform from being unprepared to becoming ultra-highly resilient. Remember, true preparedness isn't about fear, it's about empowerment and self-reliance. Whether you're facing a natural disaster, economic collapse, or any other long-term crisis, this guide will ensure you're ready to not just survive, but thrive in any situation. Stop being unprepared and start your journey to becoming a savvy, resilient prepper today.